Okay, continuing with complex fractions. Suppose I have t over x squared divided by t squared over x. The way we begin this procedure, and the procedure for complex fractions is you find the LCD and you multiply through by it. So step one is to look for the LCD. The LCD of x squared and x would be x squared. Remember, when you're looking for least common multiple or least common denominator and there are powers involved, always take the highest one, okay? Of the two powers on the same variable, choose the highest. So, band the top by x squared, band the bottom by x squared. What you do to the top, you do to the bottom. Okay, now look what happens. In the numerator, okay, the x squareds cancel, simply leaving me with the letter t. In the denominator, this x cancels, but one of these x's is left. Okay, there used to be 2, now there's 1. So we're left with xt squared. Now, one last thing I want you to notice here. There are no pluses or minuses involved in either numerator or denominator here, which means you can cancel parts. You don't have to cancel by factoring, it's a monomial. There's a 1 there, correct? I'm going to write it in, you're going to see why in a minute. What's going to happen when we reduce? This t cancels completely. In the denominator, t squared just becomes t. So look what I'm left with as an answer. 1 in the numerator and xt in the denominator. Okay, another example. Complex fraction. Look for the LCD. 5 and x, so the LCD would be 5x. Bam and bam. Doesn't matter whether you write in the front or back when you're multiplying, just as long as you multiply. Okay, look what happens here. The 5's cancel, leaving me in the top with x times x plus 2. Right? In the denominator, the x's cancel, and in the bottom that leaves me with 5 times x minus 9. Nothing here cancels with anything here. We're done.